Welcome to Think Small. Our goal here is simple. We want to give you one tiny but mighty idea to help you lead the week. And this week, we're going to be talking about a management mantra that kills innovation and problem solving in teams. And it's a phrase that everybody knows well. Don't come to me with problems, come to me with solutions. I've said it, you've probably said it, everybody says it. This is best practice. We don't want people overwhelming us and flooding us with all these problems. But the reality is what you're telling your team when you say that is only come to me with the problems that you know how to solve. And surely it's the problems they don't know how to solve that you as a leader of change really need to know about. So if you were thinking about this in Japanese engineering, they have this concept called golden eggs. And the idea of a golden egg is a problem without a solution. And they think of them as golden eggs because in their minds, they think of these as unrealized opportunities. As a new employee going into a Japanese manufacturing company, you'll learn within your first few days that you actually have a quota of golden eggs to uncover for the company. As they did a piece of research back in the 90s, looking at why Japanese engineering and Japanese technology was really dominating innovation. And what they found was that the key was golden eggs. The average employee in a US company would propose just 2.3 suggestions on average to improve the company per year. For a company like Hitachi, this was 60 per employee per year. For Mazda, 128 suggestions per employee per year. And for OKI Group, the average was 833. Think about this. This is like 2 to 3 per day that are coming out from every employee. And so the question that I'd like to leave you with is how many golden eggs have you been encouraging your team to come forward with? And how many would you like them to come forward with in 2022? And I think there's a very simple conversation that you can have immediately this week with your team. And that's, what are the top 3 barriers that we're going to come up against over the coming year to achieve our goal that we don't feel confident how to tackle? Get them to capture that down, get it on the wall, and if nothing more, your team are going to feel unburdened because they've been finally able to voice the real challenges that they're not sure what to do about. But other people in the team will perhaps be able to start sharing some thinking, some thoughts about how to move that forward. So the question is, how many golden eggs do you want your employees to share with you? And how do you change that mindset of problems without solutions to actually being the unrealized opportunities that you as a leader of change should be starting to really try and collect and uncover? If this has been useful or valuable to you, please just do me one favor and share it with one other person that you think would enjoy this or perhaps benefit from it. Have a fantastic week, and we'll see you again next week.